Hello students, I want to quickly show you how you can create your Showbie account. So first you're going to go to the internet and you're going to type in your Google search Showbie. And then you will find this first link over here, your class. Then you will click on it and you will come to this page over here. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select sign up for free. Then it will ask you, are you a teacher, a student, or a parent? So then you will click I am a student. Then there is the option sign up with a username. So you can click on this one and then you can type in your first name, your last name, and then you're going to create a user password, a username, and then your password. So okay, and then you're going to create a password. Okay, and you don't have to put your email in, it's only optional. Alright, then you're going to sign up. Alright, then here it's going to ask you join a class. Alright, so on your Google Classroom, I will be posting your classroom code for you. So you go and you copy the code and then you will paste it here. Let's paste this one. And then it will say join class. Then you can join the class. Alright. If there is another classroom that you want to join, then you're going to click here on the plus. Then it will ask you for the code, the classroom code. You will put it in here and then click join. Alright, so here you will see that waiting to join class, which means that your teacher needs to accept you into the class. Alright, so now you see that you have one assignment. Alright, so you will go and you will click on your assignment, and this is a reading assignment, so you will click on it again. Then you will listen to this voice note over here, and this just explains to you what you need to do. I have read the popcorn poem for you so that you can listen before you read it to me. And here I have given you some instructions on how to do it. So here it says, please read the poem by sending a voice message. Do not share a voice minute that is longer than 1 minute. You can't send voice messages that are longer than 1 minute on Showbie, because otherwise it will not upload and I will not see it. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to open this photo over here. Then there are different options over here. So first you have a pencil and you can write here. Let's say you want to practice writing the word popcorn, so then you can go alright, and if you have made a mistake, this is your eraser, and then you can go and erase that. So I do know that the pencil is a little bit difficult to write with. So here is another option. You can press the text box, and if you see this little arrow here, you can choose the color. Black is the best because it's the easiest to mark. Alright, so you will click on your text and then you can paste your text over here, and then if you have a question you can ask me, what is popcorn? Alright, then Then I want you to make sure that you click on this button over here with the play button. So you're going to click on this, and then you will paste it on your page. All right? Then you will see that the sound bar is going up and down as you speak. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here on your record button, and then you will read the text for me so that I can listen. All right. So click your record, and then you will read this, and then once you have completed reading it for me, you will click pause. All right. Then you can play it so that you can listen before you send it to me, and then you will save. All right. So here you see that it is saving. There is the voice note posted. All right. And now you will click done. All right. So once you have already clicked done, then your teacher will see this symbol here by the reading. All right. All right, so this symbol over here means that you have completed your assignment, which means that your teacher will be able to see your work. So your teacher will go in, and she will click here, and she will go into where your work is. She will listen to your voice note here, click your record, and then you, all right? And then she will leave you a comment. So here I have left the comment, great job, your pronunciation is very clear, and I have given it a correct mark. Okay. Your teacher can also give you a mark out of 10. So let me quickly just show you what that can look like. So 10 out of 10. All right, fantastic. Okay, I hope that this has explained Showbie to you very well, and if you have any further questions, please do ask me, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for listening.